everyone, I'm back with another vlog. Today I'm at Aura Ecostay near Kumta by the Dareshwar beach. So this place is mad stunning. It's surrounded by nature, trees all around, very cool, and has access to a private beach. I'm going to go explore the place and take you along and show you what it's like, what the entire experience is like. Let's go.
The moment we entered Aura Ecostay, it honestly felt like stepping into a hidden coastal sanctuary. The entire place is wrapped in greenery, earthy vibes, and that calm ocean energy you instantly feel in your bones. And the best part, this place isn't just about staying somewhere pretty, it feels like you're living with nature, not just visiting it. Another really unique part of Aura Ecostay is their separate section called the Hideaway, which is designed as a Vedic retreat. This space has such calm and grounding atmosphere. It feels quieter, slower, and really focused on wellness and mindful living. They also offer traditional Ayurvedic therapies here, including treatments like Panchakarma, which is a classical detox and rejuvenation therapy in Ayurveda. Even if you're not planning a full treatment, just being in this space has a very peaceful and restorative vibe. It feels like the kind of place where you come to rest, reset, relax, and reconnect with yourself. And after soaking in all that calm energy, we obviously had to balance it out with beach walks, sea creature spotting, and way too much pool time. And now, let me show you our room. And trust me, this was the highlight. Our room was literally by the shore, like step outside and the beach greets you before your morning coffee does. The view overlooked the ocean, and falling asleep to the sound of waves felt like nature was singing a lullaby every night. I recorded every detail because I knew this was the kind of stay you want to remember. The rooms have pretty basic amenities, nothing overly luxurious or fancy, but everything was extremely clean, well maintained, and comfortable. And honestly, with a location like this, the simplicity kind of adds to the whole nature stay experience. What really stood out to me was the hospitality. The staff would come in daily for cleaning, making sure the room stayed neat and fresh throughout our stay. They were also incredibly thoughtful. They would personally come and remind or invite us for lunch and dinner, which made the whole stay feel very warm and homely rather than hotel like. They also kept checking if we needed anything, made sure we always had drinking water bottles, and were genuinely helpful and welcoming the entire time. One thing that makes Aura Ecostay super special is the access to a private beach. And when I say private, I mean peaceful, untouched, and ridiculously beautiful. We spend hours just walking along the shore, letting the waves chase our footprints. And guess what we found while exploring? Starfishes, tiny crabs, and some seriously weird but fascinating sea creatures. It felt like discovering a mini underwater world right along the shoreline. Every few steps, there was something new to see. One of my favorite parts was just sitting quietly and watching life unfold around us. Small birds diving into the water, catching fish like little aerial hunters, and fishermen heading out into the sea with their boats. There's something incredibly calming about watching this rhythm of coastal life. It reminds you how beautifully simple life can be. One really interesting thing we noticed at Dareshwar Beach was how the shoreline almost looked like it had moved back in certain areas, and it created these natural swirls and shallow water pools right along the shore, almost like the sea had carved little water pockets into the sand. It looked beautiful and super fascinating to watch, especially seeing the water slowly swirl and settle inside these formations. But since the water patterns here can be unpredictable, it's definitely safer to enjoy these areas from the shore and be cautious about stepping too far into the water. And of course, we had to spend time in the swimming pool. Floating in the pool while the ocean breeze hits you is honestly the definition of vacation mode. We spent hours just relaxing, laughing, and forgetting what day of the week it even was. And before I wrap up this vlog, I wanted to quickly share some helpful details if you're planning to visit Aura Ecostay. Aura Ecostay is located near Kumta, right beside the beautiful Dareshwar beach along the Karnataka coastline. If you're looking for a peaceful nature stay with direct beach access, this place is honestly such a hidden coastal gem. I'll be tagging Aura Ecostay in the description box below, along with their booking details, website, and contact information, so you can easily plan your stay. With that, I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.